Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So this video is for everyone who has locks. As you can see, my new growth is out the roof. It's just so new growth and nappy-ish. But anyway, so I just washed it and I'm gonna show you guys how I do a flat braid down for I'm doing it for a sew-in, but you can use it for wig, whatever you need. If you just want to braid down, you can use it for that. But what I'm gonna start by doing is adding wild growth oil to my locks. I did just wash my hair and blow dry it. So my hair that I ordered is not here yet. So I'm gonna do a middle part. So I'm just gonna start by separating it down the middle. And then once I do that, I'm going to get some edge control and add it to my edges. So I'm using the same edge control that I normally use, the 24-hour edge tamer. It really, it used to work good for me, but they must have switched the formula up because it don't be working too good. I have to add a little freeze blast spray. So this is how I got my hair parted. It's locks. I randomly parted my hair when I did my locks, so it's not going to be the best parted, but I'm using braided hair. So what I'm going to use is add the braiding hair to my locks and start to plait it. Now, once I start to plait it and I get to where I've braided the new growth in, I'm just going to pick up another lock and keep going. And this is going to be my anchor braid, so I'm going to braid it down and then around the back of my head to the other side. Now, of course, it's not going to be super neat, but to me that doesn't matter. Just as long as my wig or my sew-in lays flat. Like I said, I'm just waiting on my little bundles to get here that I ordered. And I will be on here to do a middle part sew-in. That's why I have that middle situated. The part in my head does not have to be super straight. And I'm going to show you that in a minute so that you can see the way the wig actually lays, which will be the same way that my closure lays when I do my sew-in. Now, if you're doing a sew-in with locks, you want to make sure, depending on the size of your locks, like with my size, I got 3 bundles and a closure because I want it to be full. If you have smaller locks, you can do like 2 bundles and a closure, but that's just my preference. Okay, so now I've braided it around to the back, and I'm going to get started with the next braid. So I have a left side and the right side. The left side's going to go down and around to the back. And then the right side's going to go down and around to the back. So as you can see, I've started this second braid, same method. I just didn't add edge control because I don't need it when I'm in the middle of my head, of course. But yeah. So I'm gonna be doing a lot of weave, wig tutorial over locks, a lot of situations like that, because like my hair is growing too fast with these prenatal vitamins, and I don't know what else to do with it. So I just decided I'm gonna rock a sew-in until after the baby. I'm just gonna do a wig or a sew-in, something like that. So I'll be on here doing different little styles with my sew-in over my locks or my wig over my locks. Now this one didn't go around the back of my head. I just did it like down and straight back. And then I'm just going to go ahead and braid the ends. Now on the second braid, what I did, well on the third braid, what I did was the end of the second braid, I just added it to the third braid. Like just pull it up, add it, keep braiding. So once I'm done with one side, girl, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish the other side. Simple as that. I did add a little edge control to my edges. You really can't tell, but that's okay. So once I'm done, I have one little tail braid that I will end up sewing up once my hair get here and I sew my hair in. But this is how it looks. Now I did 10 braids in my head. What I'm going to do is add this oil to my actual scalp. It's the wild growth oil. And then I'm going to put a wig on so you guys can see how flat it lays. Alright, so this is the wig that was sent to me by ATI's Wig. I love this wig. This is like my freaking favorite wig, y'all. So as y'all can see, look how flat it lays. That's what you want it to do. lay flat so you don't know it's locks under it. It just looks like a regular natural wig or natural sew-in. See how the part lays seamlessly. So even though my actual part of my head was not straight, that does not matter. You can just even it up with a closure or a wig. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.